'Twas the night before Christmas. Two twin girls are looking out the window and spot Santa Claus. The girls were so excited to see Santa coming.
Santa!
What presents did you bring us?
Oh my goodness! They're beautiful! Would your dolly like some tea? Yes, please. Teddy is thirsty too. Look at my new doll! Wow, she's so pretty! My teddy bear can clap.
The two twin girls in their Christmas sweater are eating cookies and drinking chocolate milk.
For Christ our Savior was born on Christmas Day.